Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Cabinet clears series of proposals including amendments to GST Act 2017, approves establishment of engineering wing in police headquarters. Former MLA Meghalaya Shanklyang officially joins NPP in Shillong. Ribohoi District Administration and Police closed down KHDC toll gate at Umdihar. And year-long centenary celebration of Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School comes to a close. The news in detail. The Meghalaya Cabinet on Tuesday approved several proposals including the amendments to the Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax 2017, Meghalaya Medical Council and National Law University. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said these are amendments that are mandated in terms of the decisions taken by the GST Council, which are then implemented by the state governments. He said every state government has to amend the GST Act as per the amendments made by the GST Council. He also said that these amendments will be brought before the upcoming Assembly session, slated to be held from September 15th. On the National Law University of Meghalaya Bill 2023, the Chief Minister said this is related to the Finance Committee in the university. Besides, the government has also repealed the Rajit Lal University Act 2011 through an ordinance.
And those ordinances were brought today in terms of an amended bill or a bill, and that will be put up in the Assembly. So the first was the repeal of the Rajat Lal University Act 2011. Second was the amendment of Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax 2017. These are amendments that are mandated in terms of the GST Council, the decisions that have been taken by GST Council. Bill for the Meghalaya Medical Council Amendment Bill 2023. This again was an ordinance, if you recall, and those have been made, and the ordinance was passed a few weeks back, and that now again is being regularized.
Former MLA and ex-BJP leader Hima Muktan Shanklyang officially joined the ruling National People's Party NPP on Wednesday at a function held at NPP office at Lashamia here. Shanklyang left the Bharatiya Janata Party last week, citing internal differences and lack of coordination between the state party leader Ernest Mauri and party members. Shanklyang, who won the 2018 election on a Congress ticket, defected to Trinamool Congress along with 12 other party MLAs in 2021. In 2022, before the state went to polls, he joined the BJP and contested unsuccessfully in the 2023 Assembly polls.
You're all aware that we are all over the Northeast, and we have got great response from the people of the Northeast because people see us as one of the only political parties that speaks on the issues of the Northeast and the people of the Northeast.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that almost 4 million units of power are generated in the state, adding that all units are functioning. He, however, said that load shedding will continue in the state at present. He said that because of the power swapping arrangement, the state has to pay back 2 million units out of 4 million to the power generation companies. Furthermore, he said the government has changed the model and has tied up with NTPC for better power management, adding that the power swapping arrangement will end on September 30. The State Cabinet on Tuesday approved the establishment of the engineering wing in police headquarters and the State Water Informatics Centre attached with the Department of Water Resources as the lead department. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the State Water Informatics Centre will be the agency that will document information related to water bodies throughout the year. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday said that the only challenge associated with the National Education Policy 2020 is the process of its implementation. Talking to reporters at the sidelines of a cabinet meeting, Sangma said that almost all state colleges have admitted that the NEP is good for the state and for the students, adding that it is the right way to move forward. Justifying the stand of Nehu Vice-Chancellor, he said it is not possible to go back on the decision, adding that the country is moving forward with this, so Meghalaya needs to go ahead with the same.
And many of the principals, and almost every principal I've spoken to, and almost every college I've spoken to, they all understand that NEP is good for the state and good for the students, and it is the right way to move forward. The challenge is in actually implementing it immediately. There is nobody who's against the NEP. Majority of the teachers and the students and the principals are all for the NEP to be implemented. Issue only is in the different requirements to implement it and the process of implementing, which is very, very technically complicated and financially complicated, and hence how will they do it immediately?
The Ribhoi District Administration and District Police on Tuesday locked down one toll gate erected by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC situated along the National Highway 6 at Umdihar in Ribhoi District. It may be mentioned that the KHDC toll gate has been collecting toll fees from different goods carriers plying through the highway. Recently, the members of goods carriers, vehicles owners and drivers have expressed concerns over the numerous toll gates which have been erected along the national highways in Meghalaya and also lodged complaints with the concerned authority of the KHDC. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today attended the closing ceremony of the year-long centennial Jubilee celebrations of Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School in the presence of Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister, while congratulating the school on the historic milestone, said that it is the vision of the founding members and the commitment and the dedication of the past and the present teachers and the members of the managing committee that has brought the school to its present glory. Earlier, the Chief Minister felicitated the toppers of the school in different MBOS examinations and also released the Jubilee souvenir and a book edited by the President of the Managing Committee of the school.
It marks the transition of the school from yes.
I can say without any kind of doubt in my mind that education is the most important sector and department for the state government in order for us to be able to achieve the kind of goals and the visions that we have set for our state.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 26.5 degrees Celsius, the minimum 17.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 76%, while that in the evening rose by 1% to 77%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Cabinet clears series of proposals including amendments to GST Act 2017, approves establishment of engineering wing in police headquarters. Former MLA Himalaya Shanklyang officially joins NPP in Shillong. Ribhoi District Administration and Police closed down KHDC toll gate at Umdihar. And year-long centenary celebrations of Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School comes to a close. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.